setting the time and date manually. Now to do this operation, first you have to unscrew this. Not so easy to unscrew and screw back crown, but once it's screwed. Now pull the crown one click until you hear the beep and the city starts flash on the subdial. Now press the upper left button and the hour and minute start to flash. Now in this operation, I don't know if camera can catch it, but there's A and P shown up on the dial. Now the P stands for PM and the A starts for AM. Now it's set to PM. To change hour and minute settings, press the left button, lower left button, sorry, and change the hour. You can do that by rotating the crown. Now I'm gonna get back to 9 because it's 9 o'clock and I failed to show you the minutes, but I'm gonna do that later. Now to move on, press the lower left button and now we are changing the year. The year is also changed with rotating the crown, so it's 2019, and everything I do you can hear it click. I don't know if the microphone will get it, but there it is. Now pressing it again, so the lower left button, the day and month start to flash, and again rotating the crown will cause two numbers to change. I'm getting back to 23. Now press the lower left button again and we are at the hour and minute. Now as I mentioned before, I forgot to show you how to move the minutes or the minute hand. It's done while this screen over here is flashing. Just rotate the crown and set your time. So it's 31 minutes I believe, so I'm gonna leave it that, and that's what it is. This is the setting I want to go with. Now to get back to timekeeping mode, you will press or push this crown in and the second hand will align at 12 o'clock and it will start from 0. Now I'm gonna push it back in and you can watch the hands move and the sound was also heard. Now push back the crown in, push the crown back in, sorry, and screw it back in place. And that's how the time is set manually on this Mudmaster.